Are you looking for a brand new semi-detached house to accommodate your multi-generation family? Keep watching because we have the perfect house for you.
Hi everybody, I'm Sharon Kim
And I'm Brendan Ng
from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division.
Today we are bringing you to this magnificent house at Harvey Crescent in District 16. Sitting on a freehold land of 5,286 square feet, this 3.5-story semi-detached comes with a massive built-up space of more than 14,000 square feet and a wide frontage of 16.2 meters. Before we go into the house, let us share a bit more about the location. Harvey Crescent is located in an exclusive landed enclave, yet we are very close to amenities. Simei MRT and East Point Mall are just a short 5 minutes walk away. Changi City Point, East Village, Simpang Budok, and Tampines Mall are all within a 10 minutes drive. We are also very close to Singapore Expo and Changi Airport.
For those with school-going children, Gongshang Primary, Tampines Primary, St. Hilda's Primary are some of the schools within 2-kilometer radius.
I'm now at the car porch area where you can park up to 4 cars. As we enter the house, you can see that this house has a unique 2 houses in one design.
It is designed in such a way that it can be split into 2 mirror image houses, where 2 extended families can have their own privacy while staying together.
For the new homeowners who want to use this as 2 separate houses, this space over here can be used as a second kitchen. Look at this super grand staircase. It is specially designed to be wide so that the new homeowners can divide it into 2 separate staircases if required.
Let me show you this beautiful home lift that serves every level.
And it has a glass wall in the middle that allows the passengers to look at the scenery while they are in the lift. It has a double door that serves both sides of the house. This humongous house comes with 10 ensuite bedrooms and multiple balconies to provide spaces for relaxation as well as to provide lights and ventilation into the house. High quality fittings and furnishings are used for the entire house.
So if you're looking for a home that ticks all the boxes,
Great location, plenty of living space, close to amenities, give me a call now at 9848 for a viewing today.
Landed 772, your compass for landed properties.